Hi there, I'm Aaron Armstrong and welcome to a KWall tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about Accorbis and adding a web form to a landing page. So to start, we can go to Content. From here, we could either add a new piece of content and a landing page. For the sake of our demo, we're going to edit an existing one. Then you're going to go over to Main Content. From here, you can see our layout paragraphs, which is all of our sections that we have created and their corresponding components within them. Let's go ahead and click Add Section. From here, we can see the different layout options. We're just going to give it a one column and put it inside of a container. Now that we have our new section, we're going to click the plus symbol and we're going to click the Webform Reference. From here, you have the ability to select which web form you would like to embed on the page. I'm going to select email signup, and then I can look at any of the possible settings that I'd like to adjust for the web form, whether it's open or closed, if it opens or closes on a specific date, and any sort of submission data that you'd like to be paired in there by default. I'm just going to leave it all as default settings and click Save. And if we scroll down, there we have it. We can see we already have our newsletter web form. We could also click Save and view the page on the front end. And scroll down here. And we can see our web form. And that is it. Thank you so much.